Are you expecting a house guest or are you in need of a temporary bed replacement? Our Trifold mattress is perfect for the unexpected guest, college dorm, or impromptu sleepover. It's a more comfortable alternative to an air mattress. It's made from high-density foam, which is known for its ability to conform to your body for a comfortable night's sleep. When not being used for sleep, our mattress folds into a comfortable couch position, perfect for lounging or gaming. It's a great addition to any family or game room for both young and old guests and family members. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Comes in handy in any situation. Our Trifold mattress is a convenient and comfortable alternative to air mattresses. It folds and unfolds with little effort and is great for your guests, traveling, camping, and more. Number 2. Soft and airy top layer. This foldable mattress is made from high-density foam, which is known for its therapeutic benefits. It is super firm and extremely comfortable for you to enjoy a great night of sleep. Number 3. Compact and easy to travel with. Take this mat with you. It easily folds to fit into compact spaces for easy transport and is super lightweight, making it easy to carry around, whether to travel or to the gym. Number 4. Versatile uses. This is perfect as a spare bed or as a sleeping mat, floor mattress, yoga, pilates or exercise mat, futon mattress, or for a children's play area. Number 5. Easy to clean. The zippered cover can be easily removed in seconds and is even machine washable. Simply zip it off, pop it in the washer, and it is good as new. You can't do that with a futon. Number 6. Lightweight and portable. It conveniently folds to different positions to be able to fit into compact spaces, so you can fit it into a tent or even in an RV. Number 7. Easy to store. This mattress can be tucked away neatly in the closet or under a bed. Number 8. Machine washable. The zip-off cover can be easily removed and is machine washable for quick and easy cleanup. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.